Hello guys, today I am share how to add a custom icon in your cadence block that you really want, but when you want to use you are very confused how to add a custom icon in your uh, WordPress website in cadence block editor, because icon is the most important thing for a website. So let's get started. First you install Cadence Block Pro, and you after installing Cadence Block Pro you find Cadence Block Pro settings, or from enter select the custom icon. You click here. Here you find a custom icons, add a new custom icon. Here is your icon name, which icon you add here. Suppose we add a new icon and upload file. And here is the main problem. We don't know how what type of file here support for a cadence block. Here we see a many icon, but this icon are not supported in cadence block. We see a icon uh, icon files that are a JSON type of file. Now we add a icon. Here is the file. The selection file is a JSON source file. When you select this file, selection, maybe yes. Now I add a right icon. Now an update. Here is you add a on custom icon, JSON type, JSON file type. So if you going to your website and if you add a custom icon in anywhere, just edit page, suppose you want to add an icon here. Here we click icon, settings, icons on, here click. As here you find your custom icon, you add, it's nicely added, and your icon align center or left right where you can see this icon. You can also change this icon color. Here is the icon color. You change the icon color, which color you want to add, and update. If you see an open link, yes, here we see the icon. You can also change your icon size. Maybe sometime problem, you navigate your icons file and select icon. You can icon size or colors, or you add a link and update. Yes, your icon is added. But we face one problem when we add to add icon. Suppose you use a Figma template like this. Suppose you want to export this icon and use your website. First export. export as a SVG, JPG or PDF file type. But in this type of file you do not use a cadence block, because this file type to convert a JSON file. So if you convert your Figma template in cadence block, I know you create this icon in Adobe Illustrator and save SVG file, and after SVG file you go to one website name ico icomon. So if you want to delete this icon, yes, easily delete and delete this icon, and you upload here, import here your SVG icon. That's you create a Adobe Illustrator. So here I create some icon, add, so I add this two icon and open. Yes, I add this two icon. Now we convert this icon in a JSON file. It's a very easy. Here we select this two file. Here's the yellow border, and here you set the generate SVG mode selection, two file selection, and generate a font. Now we create a font. This icon is now is create a JSON file and download font. Track the file. Okay, we are extract our file, and now we go to our icon file. So now we add a new icon. Add a new icon. This go to icon title. New icon 2 and upload files. Select here. You go to download, and we here this file we use. Here is use this icon. Open. Publish. Yes, we had one new icon, and here we get a new icon, and there's publish. So now we want to add another icon here. We count our icon number 2, so icon settings 2, and here you yes wait we sorry, here is need to refresh. So now we add icon, add this icon here. As here is our new icon is ready. So here is one icon, here is another icon. So I think I make you understand how to add a custom icon in cadence block. So if you uh, think my video is informative, please subscribe my channel.